Hi everyone, in this video I just wanted to show you the picture quality of the Yabra Pro V9 projector. I will be showing you how the picture will look like on different lighting condition, from daytime with blinds open or close to totally dark rooms. If you like watching during daytime and you have no option to cover your windows, this is how your projector is gonna look like. So right now my blinds are open, but you can see the color is a little washout, but you can still watch from it because this new projector have a 500 ANSI lumen. So with the blinds off, the picture is a little better compared to the one with open blinds. So let's try to turn on the background light and see how the image would look like during daytime. So with your blinds closed but the lights on, the image becomes washout again, but you can still watch from it. So let me show you a different lighting scenario during nighttime. Okay, so this is how it would look like at nighttime with the lights on. Now let me turn off the light. And now this is how it would look like with the lights off. I'm looking at my camera right now. It looks like the ISO on my camera have adjusted to really high when I turn off the lights. So it might show up with a lot of grains in the video, but the picture quality is really nice at nighttime. It's like you're just watching in a big screen TV.